guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I'm back with another Quince haul. It's been a while, okay? I've been buying so much home stuff, but your girl decided to treat herself to some cute clothes, and they have a bunch of new arrivals. I mean, they drop new arrivals all the time, but there's so much cute stuff. So let's get into it. Also changed up the angle. We're on the other side of the room today. I think I'm over staring at the dresser, okay? I'm over looking at the dresser while I edit. So, I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully we like this. I don't know. I don't know until I edit, so it's all just gonna be a mystery game. But let's go ahead and jump in. This first thing, I've seen this a lot on their site, but I've never seen it in this chocolate brown. I don't know if it's new. I don't know if I've missed it. Am I starting to shop a little bit for fall? A little bit, okay? A little bit, I know, sue me, it just turned summer, but I also think this still works, obviously, for the summer. It is, I wish that I could take this part off, and I don't know if I can. I don't think I can. I don't think you can take off this little, like, knotted situation, but I think I could just tuck it in. Okay, this is real leather. It smells delicious. Has a little like pocket thing in there. It says Quince in there. And then, like I said, it has a long string. I probably though would choose to wear it as a clutch. I'm obsessed with woven bags. I have a lot of woven bags in my collection. Like, it'll still snap with just these little knots out, but I took out all the stuffing so you can kind of see. So cute. Love it. So chic. This is like heavy duty metal majiggers. I love this. I needed more like bags that I can wear out and about to make my outfits look a little bit like put together. She's cute. She's cute. I'm excited. This is giving How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days. And I wore that specific dress to, I want to say it was like my sophomore prom, junior prom, one of the two. I like remember scouring the website, and my mom probably paid $800 from this janky website for this prom dress. Lord help her. Like, I was an extra child. Okay, I was very extra. I was a good child, but I was very extra. I knew what I wanted and I wanted it, and I had this vision in my head, and I love it. I don't actually know if it was $800. I just know it was expensive. It probably was $300. Still stupid for a prom dress, right? I'm sure a lot of people spend a lot more, but anyway, I remember it being expensive, but these gave me that feeling as soon as I put it on. And also, like, normally yellow's not my color, but I don't care. These are stunning. Even with this little white tee that I just got from Unilow, this is great. These are so perfect. Silk, satin. I think these are silk, not satin. Yeah, they're silk. I get my pants in a medium because I don't want them hugging any curve of my body. I want them just flowing, okay? A flowing. I thought this would just look cool, chic, love, and I'm obsessed with them. So I have these in navy. Do not wash them and dry them, okay? Don't do it. I kind of ruined my navy ones doing that. So just like hand wash. Wear these like not all the time, or do and just hand wash them, but like, I mean, I'm not gonna get that filthy, you know what I mean? But these are so perfect. Obsessed with those. Love, love, love. Okay. If you've watched any of my other Quince videos, then you've seen that I have this skirt in black. I actually ordered it in the white, but for some reason they sent it to me in black, and I liked it, so I kept it. So then I just ordered it in white, okay? Love a good poplin white, kind of maxi midi, mostly midi skirt. I got this in an extra small because my small that I first got it in a medium, it was way too big. I got it in the small in the black, and I still felt like I could have sized out a little bit more, so I got the extra small. If you want it to sit on your hips though and not like high-waisted, go to true to size, which would be a small. Just great quality, amazing poplin skirt. I feel like this is a piece that I will have in my wardrobe for so many years and can be worn so many different ways. I was thinking about even wearing it for 4th of July with a cute little red tie top, but I don't know. It's kind of like, it's lined, it's double lined, so it's kind of a little bit thicker, and I feel like my undercarriage would be baking, but whatever. They have pockets, just this cute little elastic waistband, nothing crazy. Does have this like hem at the bottom, and like I said, it is double lined. So good, so cute, and just like the perfect, I don't know, just like a perfect poplin style skirt. I got a bunch of sweaters. I got a couple of sweaters. No, I got one sweater. This is thin though. This is from their Mongolian cashmere line, and I love these sort of like V-neck things. I wish I got this in a large and not in a medium. The medium's fine. It's gonna be a look where it's a little bit not as oversized and drapey, but I loved this like olivey color. I thought again would be great transitioning into the fall. I know you guys, okay, I get it. We're still just got to summer. I'm fully aware of that, but don't stop me, okay? I just thought it was really cute and I love the color, and things sell out on Quince so fast, so I picked it up. Great little V-neck, slouchy sort of sweater. Thought this would look cute. I paired it with the little white poplin skirt. Would look great with denim shorts, jeans, anything like that. Just a very casual throw and go. Also would look cute with a little tank underneath for a layering moment. I did also get this sweater tank, which I could probably still wear this to like dinner and stuff, but I can't wear it like out and about because it's way too hot, but it will be a great piece, again, for fall. Okay, this is in a size large. I tend to get tops that are like ribbed like this larger because they already are small and they stretch, and I don't like them to stretch too much where it's like I look like a busted can of biscuits, you know? Great black, just basic color. I love this so much. Want it in navy, but just cute little buttons down the front, and again paired with that skirt, paired with a pair of jeans, dressed up, dressed down, just a good basic piece, and it is so soft. Okay, next are these pair of jeans. I actually want to size up more. I had never tried Quince's jeans before, and I saw these white ones and I thought they looked so cute. I did get these in a 28 where I'm typically a 26, 27 depending, but these are stretchy, so they're already meant to fit snug. I want them to be loose, baggy, okay? So I'm gonna probably get a 30 in these and see how they are, but these are so good. These are a really nice fit. If you do like a more snug fit, go true to size or even size up one. I'm just like over jeans like hugging me too much. I just like a looser fit. I just think they look really chic, especially in a white jean, because I feel like white jeans like always are tight. I don't know, when I think of white jeans, I think of tight jeans, so I love that they're not. These are a really nice cut though. These remind me a lot of how my Levi's fit. They just have stretch to them. So they also aren't insanely high rise, but they're not like low rise, like a mid rise. No crazy detailing on the back. The buttons say Quince premium denim on them. But yeah, I like the length of these, and I think I just got them in the normal, I think it's just one size, no length sizes, but I will grab those. I want to size up, like I said, to probably a 30 and see how they like flow off of my body. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to achieve that look because I have thicker thighs, so when jeans tend to have stretch, they tend to just stretch over my thighs when I want them to just like fall on my thighs. Does that make sense? That's the vibe I'm going for in my brain, because I have other white jeans, but I want something that's like a little more flowy. Okay, one thing I did not have in my collection was a black linen button-up, and Quince makes great linen button-ups, great button-ups in general. I get mine in a large, just perfect. I think this is nice because you don't typically think of linen black, but if you want to kind of dress up something a little bit more, it's nice to have it in linen form. I like black for going out at night, restaurants, whatever. I just like black. I think it's super chic. Black and white together is really cute. So paired with different linens, great. So love, also great for a swimsuit cover up as well. Just something different than your colorfuls, your whites, whatever. I like the black, darky vibe, if you will. Okay, I decided to try these linen pants. They're okay. I think they're cute, but I don't know if I absolutely love them. I knew they had a thick band. This band is thick. Okay, they have other linen pants that aren't as thick as this, but I just wanted to try it to see because I have the other linen pants and those are not my favorite either. These I like better than those, but very thick. Okay, they also have this like piping kind of detail down the side, which is giving kind of sporty, not like chic, but that's okay. They're very loose, very flowy, which is what I wanted. I think I got these in a large, no, medium. They're 100% linen. drawstring. I got the ones that go all the way to the floor. I think I got the 30 or the 32 length because I wanted a full length pant. I think these are cute. They're a great throw and go, but this band at the top, I would just never leave it uncovered, like, cause it's large and in charge. This thing's like 3-tiered like waistband. It's kind of a little bit much, but I just didn't have a khaki linen pant and I wanted one. I thought that it would look cute with a lot of my colorful linen. So I have like white, and white can be a little stark, so I thought this would be nice. So I'm gonna style this a couple different ways and see if it's something that I'm gonna keep, because the waistband is throwing me, but I feel like it's also gonna be super comfortable. So if I'm gonna wear button-ups over the top of it, I probably wouldn't even notice, slash like untuck my tee a little bit, I probably wouldn't even notice. So again, style it a couple of different ways and see how I feel about it. And then last but not least, this is Scout, my dog, just like sits at the top of the stairs and waits for anyone to walk by, deliveries, anything, and just goes on full-blown attack. Yeah, it's fun. Anyway, did y'all notice that I got this new plant too? I thought it was a Monstera? I don't know, it starts with a P. Anyway, I got it at Home Depot and I love it. I can't wait for it to get bigger. Anywho, okay, this dress has been on my list again for a while and it's been sold out. I knew I wanted it in black as well. I have quite a few white linen dresses, all from Quince. I think I'm gonna do a styling video with white linen dresses very soon, because I have, do I have 3 different styles? I have 4 different styles of linen dress. 2 shorts and 2 longs, but I wanted a black one. I thought this would look so chic. We're not going to Cabo this year. Too much new house stuff going on. We still have the old house, all the things. We're just like, let's be responsible, okay? So we're gonna go in, I think, May of next year. I'm not sure, but this is screaming Cabo to me, okay? After the pool for the day, you throw on a long, it's like a muumuu. It's just like flowy, chunky necklace, sunglasses, slick back hair. It's a vibe. I love it. I love this tunic style top. I was at Uniqlo the other day and yesterday, and they had a bunch of tops like this, and I remembered how much I love that tunic style top. But I got it in the dress, and I like that it has nice little slits, and again, 100% linen pockets. You cannot go wrong with Quince's dresses. With Quince's, honestly, anything. The only thing I've ever bought from that site that I absolutely hate and can't recommend, or wouldn't recommend you getting, are the mesh undies, which I'm so sorry if any of you bought them. I hope you returned them because they're not as good as the other ones. They're not bad, they're just not as good as the other ones, and I like the second skin ones. And then those terrible white t-shirts that I still continue to wear, even though they look like bacon neck. So anyway, besides that, I literally love everything from Quince. I just got new pillows for my bed from Quince. My whole bedding is pretty much Quince except for the comforters or the quilts, which they have them, so I should have bought them from there, but I didn't. Anyway, I bought those before I realized what Quince was. But that's it, you guys. Oh, wait, I do have one more thing. Do I have any business buying a swimsuit? No, okay? I have a billion swimsuits. I had no idea how teeny, teeny, tiny, teeny this bathing suit would be. Okay, you guys, I was like, that's gonna go all up in there. That's gonna get eaten all the way up. It's cute though, you guys. I'm not gonna show you it on, mostly because I just don't feel like that confident in it. It might be a return. I honestly wanna look at what other bottoms they have, but it's so cute. I don't know, I probably should just say screw it because who the heck cares? It's literally me. This would be a great tanning bathing suit, but the aglets at the bottom, this is really, really good quality. It is double lined. This is really nice. It's just getting eaten up by the booty. Yeah, I got a small in that. I probably could have gotten a medium because it's even low in the booty behind, whatever. And then I was able to get a large in the top, which I like. Definitely size up if you have bigger breasts because these are small. They do have cup pads in them, but I mean, they're fine. They honestly fit the entire, like, swimsuit. They're not like the ones that kind of cut through, you know what I mean? They fit the entirety of the entire cup. Again, with the eglets. I like this red. It's like cherry red or whatever. We'll see. My sister-in-law wore a red swimsuit to her birthday the other day, and she looked fire, and it looked very similar to this. I think she said she got hers on Amazon, but yeah, I just wasn't feeling like showing you guys. So I hope you enjoyed. You can look at the model for that one, but anyway, I will have everything linked on the YouTube shop button / in the description box down below. And if you are not reviewing the products that you buy, girl, you are missing out. You are losing so much, or missing out on so much free money. Like, they give you points for every like review you do, which accumulates to money. So check it out. And they're always doing, like, if you buy 3 linen shirts, you get like $15 off your next order or whatever. I don't know, they have so much good stuff. They just dropped that like really expensive face cream. And I think if you buy it, you get like $100 gift card or $50 gift card, something crazy like that. If you were asleep on Quince, like, girl, I don't know how else to tell you to stop, okay? Because my curtains, my pillows, I'm about to look at a rug, I'm gonna get some lighting, a mirror, like rugs, everything from Quince, okay? And my cutting board. Okay, silverware, I have everything. But anyway, that was it. That was my little summer pre-fall. Oh my God, I wanna throw up when I even say that. But I love you guys so much. Thank y'all for watching. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one very, very soon.